Hi, this is Byron from Press Lock Technologies. I'm a cold metal joining specialist, so we're dealing with clinching here. Just want to go through some basics. So you've got some 18 gauge, it really doesn't matter, and you're trying to set up a machine, and it doesn't matter which machine. These principles are true for clinching sort of all through. I'm going to put these two pieces in. I've got a number 50 die here, so that's a 50,000th of a depth of pocket, and a number 20 punch, a 20 thou radius of punch. Okay, so I'm putting these two together, and I have what looks like the start of a connection, but I don't know. There's a little more of a connection than I was expecting it to be. Guess I didn't back it up enough, but not really anything. So what the problem could be when you have something like this is there's three things that you would always look at. One, they're popping apart, so I'm not pushing the material into the pocket deep enough. Either because the punch isn't being allowed to go down that far because of a setting in the press or pressure or whatever, because the die isn't deep enough, it doesn't allow any, no matter how much you hit it, it's not going to go any lower, or the punch radius is too big. Now for 18 gauge, a number 20 punch, it'd probably be fine. I would normally use a 15 because that does a lot more materials, but a 20 should be fine. So why am I popping apart here? Well, the tooling to me seems like it's okay. So we're going to make an adjustment. And I mean, the nice thing about the T-Rex, no hand adjustment, digital readout. So I just quickly turn this over to a number that I know is going to be good. And I'll just leave all this together. And that one was definitely a better clinch, right? So we got that together. And that was the situation here. But you always want to keep those three steps in mind. One, do I have the right die for the job? Two, do I have the right punch? Three, do I have that setting right? One mistake people make is when they think it's setting, they keep turning it up. Push it more and it'll be better, more better, more better, more better. The problem with that is, if it is because maybe a punch has a chip in it or there's material in there, the die needs cleaning, what you're going to do is you're just going to load things up and it's not going to make anything better and it's probably going to break something else. So make sure you're sure about all three of those. And I would make sure the die and the punch are in good condition before you start turning the settings up. But we'll have more tips and tricks coming, and thank you for watching. Look forward to hearing from you soon.